Hi, welcome to the WordSprout English YouTube channel. Today we're practicing 100 useful English questions and answers for beginners. Let's get started.
Hello, how's it going?
Not bad, thanks.
What's your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada, near Toronto.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Where do you live?
I live in London, near the park.
Do you like coffee?
Not really, I prefer tea.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Can you help me, please?
I'm sorry, I'm a bit busy right now.
Are you busy right now?
A little, but I can talk.
What time is it?
It's about 3 o'clock.
Can I sit here?
Sure, this seat is free.
Do you have a pen?
No, I don't. Sorry.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I haven't eaten all day.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, especially with cheese and mushrooms.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue the most.
How was your weekend?
It was okay, just a little boring.
Do you have any pets?
No, but I really want a dog.
Where's the bathroom?
It's down the hall on the left.
Are you ready?
Almost. Give me a minute.
What's the date today?
It's June 5th, I think.
What's this called in English?
It's called a notebook.
Do you speak English?
A little, but I'm learning.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-1234.
How do you spell your name?
It's Anna.
What's your favorite food?
I really like pasta.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at the market.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen every day.
Can you play the guitar?
No, I can't play.
What are you doing now?
I'm making dinner.
Are you tired?
A little, but I'm okay.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I usually rest on weekends.
How often do you watch TV?
I watch TV every evening.
Where's the nearest bus stop?
It's around the corner.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love chocolate flavor.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy playing soccer.
What's your favorite movie?
I like Toy Story.
Do you go to the gym?
Not often, maybe once a month.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I swim in summer.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can make pasta.
Do you read books?
Sometimes, when I have time.
Where do you usually eat lunch?
I eat lunch at home.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love cats.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I learned when I was a kid.
Are you wearing a watch?
No, I'm not wearing one.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, but not too often.
Where do you go on holidays?
I go to the beach.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea every morning.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 7 a.m.
Do you like rain?
Not really, I prefer sunny days.
Where do you usually have dinner?
I usually have dinner in the kitchen.
Do you use a computer every day?
Yes, I use it for work.
Can you play basketball?
No, I'm not very good at it.
Do you like the mountains?
Yes, I love hiking there.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you listen to the radio?
Not often, maybe once a week.
Where is your hometown?
It's a small town near the sea.
Do you eat fruit every day?
Yes, I eat apples and bananas.
Can you draw well?
No, I can only draw simple shapes.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, they make me happy.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Do you go jogging?
Sometimes, when the weather is nice.
Where do you usually go on weekends?
I go to the park.
Do you like winter?
Not really, it's too cold for me.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you visit your friends often?
Yes, almost every week.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I drive to work every day.
Do you watch movies at the cinema?
Sometimes, when there's a new film.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring the most.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, but not too spicy.
Where do you usually study?
I usually study at the library.
Do you eat rice every day?
Yes, I eat rice every day.
Can you speak French?
No, I can't speak French.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, I visit them once a month.
What time do you usually have breakfast?
I usually have breakfast at 8 a.m.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
Where do you usually buy clothes?
I usually buy clothes at the mall.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I like going to the beach.
Do you clean your room every day?
No, I clean it once a week.
What do you usually drink in the morning?
I usually drink coffee in the morning.
Do you take the bus to school?
Yes, I take the bus to school.
Where do you usually go shopping?
I usually go shopping at the market.
Do you like rainy days?
No, I don't like rainy days.
What time do you go to bed on weekdays?
I go to bed at 11 p.m. on weekdays.
Do you eat vegetables every day?
Yes, I eat vegetables every day.
Where do you usually watch movies?
I usually watch movies at home.
Do you visit the park often?
Yes, I visit the park every weekend.
How often do you call your parents?
I call them twice a week.
Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What do you usually do after dinner?
I usually watch TV after dinner.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I eat meat.
Where do you usually meet your friends?
I usually meet my friends at a cafe.
Do you go swimming in summer?
Yes, I go swimming in summer.
How often do you go to the cinema?
I go to the cinema once a month.
Do you like riding a bike?
Yes, I like riding a bike.
Where do you usually go in the evening?
I usually stay home in the evening.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
No, I sometimes skip breakfast.
What time do you wake up on Sundays?
I wake up at 9 a.m. on Sundays.
Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, I watch TV at night.